Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I know we've been gone a while, but we've gotten really busy with the school year and just a lot of things going on right now. As you can see, I am not videotaping from the RV back in Washington. I actually flew out here to Tennessee yesterday because back in the summer, all the work we were doing on the cabin and stuff, we ordered new doors and windows and they finally came in. So now I had to fly down here and had to get it all scheduled. They're going to come out. They're installing the doors today, excuse me, and then they'll be installing the windows tomorrow. So this is something we've really been looking forward to since way back in the summer. Here's the doors that the front door that they're going to replace. I mean, it's a fairly new door, but I don't think it's the right size door for it. They put all kinds of weather stripping on the door and stuff, and you can still see gaps and stuff that the air gets to leak through. So we bought a new door. We're going to replace this front door here. It's the door that's going to be replaced. It's a similar type of door, but I think it's going to be a white one, and they're supposed to be out here anytime now. And here's our really nightmare. This is the back door. Yeah, it's just kind of thrown together. You can see light up at the top of that. It's not sealed very well. We're going to be getting this replaced. It's also the window. The one that we're going to replace it with has got actually a window in it, so it'll be nice. You'll be able to see out the back. It's got these 3 locks on here. The top and the bottom one, I don't even have a key to it. That middle one is really a pain. It doesn't work very well. You got to really fight with it to get it to lock and unlock. We don't use this door because you can see there's really nothing that it leads off to. There are some stairs that are just kind of leaning against, but eventually we want to get some, we're going to have a deck built back here. That's our plan, and hopefully that's going to happen this next summer. So that way we'd be able to enjoy this nice view out here in the back. And of course our next door neighbor over there. So we're excited to get these doors and windows replaced. And the other thing I'm here for is they're going to be installing the windows tomorrow here. So pretty much all, but I think 2 windows downstairs are going to be replaced. And so we have all these windows that we ordered back in July that finally came. So excited those are going to get installed tomorrow. And he started, the back door has been removed. And we're starting to get the windows in. All right, they just got done with all the doors and the windows. Literally took those guys about maybe 4 hours. They replaced 8 windows and 2 doors. So they really made a big difference. These things look super nice. I just can't believe how much of a difference it makes. And of course, that window's there. I'm not going to bother. It's behind the bed and taking down the curtains there. There's the front windows. It was the double one that they replaced. They used to have the old aluminum windows in there. And then of course the front door actually shuts and latches now, and we love it because it's the kind there that you can lower the shades and so forth. So it's really super nice. And then they also changed out this kitchen window here. And then what I think is the biggest difference here, we went from that old wooden door with no window to now we have this back door with the window. Really lightens it up in here. It also has the shades in the window. So super nice, guys, did a great job.
I know, you need that.
They said they're just going to run it under the house.
Uh-huh. That's so good. Oh yeah, probably later on, yeah. unplug the refrigerator. Whee! Oh yeah, you're getting it through there.
Panel going in there, sub panel, light switch, and they're gonna put a light up here. Get it started. Of course, they're gonna run it from the house over here. I'm gonna come from the other side where the panel is.
Okay, so I'm painting on this, but this is really hard to get the paint to go in. So I really wish I had used a sprayer to paint this. And it's turning out with more of a little bit of a blue hue to it. So I'm not crazy about that. But I'm thinking when I add the curtains and bring the bed in here, you know, maybe that'll lighten it up some. So we'll see. I've got one wall done. I'm working on the second wall, and I have a whole another wall to go. So I'll let you see as we go. Right, I am in the middle of painting. Well, I just started. Let me not say in the middle. I just started painting to transform the look of this. So that's get my little sample of what it's gonna look like. Earl's outside cutting flooring for the living room. So that's the sawing sound. So I'll do a preview of the before, and then we'll do an after. I'm gonna leave this wall brown just because it's kind of a different look. All right, we're starting the process of painting the cabinets, the uppers and the lowers. So I just took the drawers out and one of the doors off. Ooh, a fly flew by. And so I'm getting ready to paint that. We'll see how that turns out. I just sanded the uppers, getting ready to paint them. Well, I wanted to do a quick video. We're in the middle of, they're already starting to fix it, but we come down this road the other day and turned into this driveway, and the RV with the trailer, and the tire come off the ground on the side where the rock, they just dumped a load of rocks there. The back tire of the trailer where the car was on, it was off the ground, and Earl drug it down the hill. There's a drag mark all the way down the hill where he drug it. And I don't know how we're gonna get out, so we decided to have it widened. So they just brought our first load of big rock to kind of be a foundation for the new road. So it's kind of dumped there. And he's gonna come back because he went, I think, to get more rock. He just went, dropped it, and he's going off again. But we'll do this kind of like a in-between, and so we'll kind of show you more as it gets widened. All right, so we were thinking of an idea for covering this area so it's a little safer. I don't know if you saw from our last video. So we painted it white, and we're putting a picket fence up here. So that's what Earl's doing right now, is nailing that in. It'll keep everybody safe that comes up here, even the dogs. We'll show you the finished product when we're done.